Oh, I'm getting hits. Wonder if he's on. No. Yes, fish on. Just clean my lens. Fish on. Nice. Oh yes, definitely a bream. Oh, has he got off? No, he's still on. Let's go for a walk. It's taking me down a bit. Oh, here he comes back. Nice. Here he is. There he is. Nice. What do we got? Come on. Bring him up the shore. There we go. There we go. Solid little bream. So there he is. He's a solid little bream. On the Z-Man. On the Z-Man grubs, motor oil colour. With the 1/16 jig head. On the size 2. There. Okay. Let's get this thing out of him and put him back. Okay. There he goes. Getting more hits again. I wonder if he's on. Give it a... nah. Some tiny little taps. I'd say they've... oh, yeah. Oh, nearly. They're going for it. Got a bit excited then. Come on. Nah, gone. Damn. Oh, it's absolutely smashing down with rain now. Comes time when there's time to go home. What do you reckon, Dave? Time to go? Come on, let's go home.